Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Man, welcome to the Arctic North here, guys. Freezing cold. We're going to try to get through this video the best we can. Love this truck, man. This is a 1953 5-window pickup. It's a patina finish, which we have just fallen in love with. It's just a great truck, man. It's got all LS drivetrain in it. It's got a Jaguar rear end, Mustang II independent front suspension on it, power rack and pinion steering, and I'm telling you guys, this thing runs and drives awesome. I drove it this morning. When I bought it, I got to drive it just a little bit. But today I actually got to get it out and drive it a little bit, put a couple of miles on it. Man, it doesn't shimmy, shake, rattle. This thing just drives awesome. And of course, it's got that patina finish. Truck's out of Arkansas. A father and son built it. It's got 9,000 miles on it since it was done. Just a super truck, man. So much fun to drive. These are great conversation pieces. Everybody loves them. Just fun stuff, man. It's got the upgraded headlights in it. Again, it's got a complete patina finish. The truck was built in Arkansas. It's rock solid, guys. When I buy these trucks like this, when they're patina finished, I can't buy them rusty. Even though I understand it's a patina finish, it's still, I like a good solid body. Truck's out of Arkansas. Again, father and son built it. They put the custom patina finish on it. Did some really cool things. Love the visor. And again, it's a 5-window. And I'd get in this thing and drive it anywhere. Put the weathered bed in it. It does have a custom fuel cell in the bed here, so they've removed it from the cab. Whew. And it is wicked cold, guys. Got LED taillights. I love the wide whites. Those are radials too. They're not bias ply. It's got the steel wheels. Those are 15-inch. They're, again, 4-wheel disc brakes. Took a bunch of pictures of it underneath for you. We'll get those posted online as well. And one thing I will tell you guys, this truck rips, man. It scoots. You get into it, man, you better hang on. This thing will run. Again, I think you said it's an 07 5.3 LS motor, all fuel injected, aluminum head, steel block. They put some headers on it. They definitely tuned it because this thing gets with the program. Power rack and pinion steering. There's all your electronics. 4-wheel power disc brakes. Again, it's got a Mustang II front suspension, power rack and pinion steering. These are not fun days to stand out here, guys. It is so cold right now. Really just a cool truck. The mirrors work too. When I say that, when I drove it, they're spot on so that you can actually use them. Thought the little bombs on there were cool. Door handles and stuff are nice. They're not, it looks like they've replaced those. Again, it's a patina truck, so it's not done to be, show quality chrome or anything like that. Actually, under the seat here, he's actually plumbed it and put the switches in for air conditioning if somebody wants to put an air unit on it. It's got the Dolphin phantom gauges on it. It's kind of cool. This thing's really handy, man. Steers the heck out of this truck. And of course, it's got the custom shifter, AM/FM radio. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, it's a Jaguar. Okay. Okay. But the heat is on it.
So
Okay.
mounted underneath.
Okay, the heat and everything's mounted underneath, but it's set up for air conditioning if you want it to. Again, Jaguar rear end. Oh man, guys, my hands are just wicked freezing here. I think it's in the low teens here. Again, LED taillights. Again, it's got the custom tank in it. We took some photos of it. We'll get those posted online or the underside. The doors open and close nice. The windows roll up and down easy. That's it, because the battery's mounted underneath, so it's got a little plug-in for in case the battery went down or something. Sorry guys, I'm doing this one-handed right now. My hand is just froze. Super cool truck, man. I think I showed you the headliner and stuff, but I'll do it on this side too. I love the emblem, the way they did it on the door. I'm telling you guys, this thing runs, it scoots. It's got little parking lights in the grill. 9471 on the odometer. All the gauges work. Truck holds good oil pressure. Even the little lights in here on the dash, all that stuff works. No, for your turn signals and stuff. LED tail lights. Fun truck, man. Radio works.
Yeah, blower motors.
Blower motor underneath the seat for your heat. Doors open and close real nice. No on the wipers. I don't think they've got wipers. Headlights. LED turn signals. Turn your parking lights on, Jay. So you got the little parking lights in there. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. I'm telling you, man, Jay can't keep it on the road. That thing rocks. Have a great day, guys.